welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today I will show you how to make a lily pad that floats. That looks like it's going to float. You'll need some epoxy and clay. And now let's get started. Yeah! First you'll get a little chunk like this and put it on a surface where you can peel off easily and make it like a shape of a petal like this. And then flatten it up to make it bigger and make a lot more of these. To make it easier, you could just make balls and smush them with your fingers, a lot of them at a time, so then it's easier to make these kind of petals because it might be boring to just make them one by one. Shape them into the petals by just making a sharp end at the bottom. And next, you'll make them into a water lily, and the small ones have to be on the top, and the bigger ones have to be on the bottom so you can see them. So now it's time to make the ball in the middle. You can use a tool with the circle and then press it in the middle and put the ball in. And it might flatten out your petals so you could make it up more. You could get it off with your tool. Like a pizza. Set it down in the corner so you can make your lily pad. And now when you think you're done making your circle, it's not going to be perfect, so you can use your flour and measure it like this. But don't put it on yet because you haven't made your lily pad like triangle inside. When you're done flattening it out and done measuring it with your flour, you can make the little slit with a knife. Now next step is to put the flour on the lily pad. Now it's time to paint it. And I use the color of red, light pink, and the mixed up together, which is a darkish pink in the middle. And I used the green for the lily pad, the yellow for the middle. How do you think it looks? Now the next step is to find like a container and put a blue paper on it, and you could get some river rocks and put them in. Then you can open your epoxy and you could use A first and get a measuring cup, so then you can pour it into 50. Now time for B. And be sure to make them all the exact same. And after you do that, you should put on the lid because you might spill it. And then you can use the popsicle stick and just mix it. After when it looks well mixed, you can pour it in slowly into the container. And you can put some epoxy dye on it to make it look more blue. You could wait for a day to let it dry. After waiting for 24 hours, it is all dried. And the last step is to get your lily pad and put it on. Doesn't it look like a real lily pad? And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!